It's up there with the top echelon of angle grinders that I've used. The value of the RYOBI Gen 2 angle grinder is top of the list. It's better than previous generations, it's got more power.
In my plumbing, I use it to cut cast iron pipe under houses, which works really good. Doing some metal work, fabricating for cutting metal, grinding, cleaning it up for welding.
This allows me to get the job done at a more efficient level, allows me to get through some of the other materials that a less powerful piece of equipment couldn't get through.
It's comfortable in your hand, and I like the guard rotates very easily, so it's nice to be able to change the guard to keep sparks off of you.
The foot angle helps with being able to hold and grasp the tool in a more ergonomic way. The angle grinder being cordless allows me the ability to move and change and shift with that job site where I don't have to have a power source. RYOBI has done a great job in regards to their battery and the functionality of those tools in one battery system.
The Edge battery seems to last a lot longer and have a lot more power.
It pairs well with not just that angle grinder, but other saws and pieces of equipment in general. The Brushless is a better piece of equipment. Its durability, its power and strength, there's just a better value in that.
It's really nice to have tools that are reliable, lightweight, battery lasts a long time, and has plenty of power.